How to access your Amazon Prime Video from your Prime account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can access your Amazon Prime Video from your Amazon account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. To access your Amazon Prime videos from your Prime account, you'll basically need to log in into your Prime account. So to do that, head over to Prime Video. After you search for that, head over to this primevideo.com and let it load. After you do that, you'll then need to log in into your account. So head over to this Prime Video member, open this up, and now all you have to do is log in with your Amazon Prime account. So enter your email address, tap on continue, and then enter your password. After you enter your password, tap on sign in, and you'll get logged in into your account. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.